Welcome to the Core Getting Started collection. In this video, you will learn about the resources Vitech provides to help you with Core. Many people have a tendency to go straight to Google when you have a question. We do this too, so we're working to improve our search engine optimization so you can find answers to your Core questions there. In the meantime, this video details for you the many resources already available. We'll start with those that are built into Core. Many areas of Core have tooltips enabled. Hover over a button to see what it does. Hover over a class to see the description of the class. Hover over an attribute to see its definition. This feature is turned off by default. To turn it on, click Tools, User Preferences. Then add a check mark next to Display Definitions. Tip text can give you a snapshot into schema information. There are two ways to get a complete description of the schema. The first method is good for information you need on the fly. In the Project pane, expand the Schema branch, then click Classes. Select a class to view its description, attributes, and relationships. If you need something more formal or complete, you can run a report. Click the Run Script icon in the toolbar. Then select and run the Schema Definition report. This report is a complete text-based description of the schema in Word format. Speaking of reports, most of our reports have a help file associated with them to give you the most complete information available on that particular report. Let's take a look at one. First, click the Run Script icon and select a report. Then, click the Script Help File button. The STD is fairly complex, so you'll find a great deal of information here. More simple reports have more simple help documents. Built into Core, you'll find a wealth of documents for many purposes. Click Help, Documentation. Here you'll find 10 documents with lots of great information. These include a guide to what's new in the current version, a step-by-step tutorial, a guide to using Core Sim that also includes a tutorial, our book on MBSE, a guide to our base schema, a guide to our DODAF schema, a comprehensive listing of icons used in Core, 2 documents to help you with Core Script, and a guide to building API connectors. If you don't have Core open, you can also find these through the Start menu. Click Start, All Programs, Core 9, Documentation. You'll find the same documents listed here. There's one more resource built into Core that has more information than all the others combined. It's the highly valuable, but most often ignored, help file. Click Help, Help Contents. You can view the topics through the tree view on the Contents tab, or search for what you need from the Search tab. Help files often have a bad reputation for being anything but helpful, and we try hard to make ours the exception to that rule. We've also published a lot of web resources to round out our offering. On our website, under Resources, you'll find our webinar archive, the Getting Started collection of screencasts, white papers, and more. Under Support, you'll find the MySupport login, an FAQ, and documentation. Let's log into MySupport to examine the resources provided there. Here, you'll find the knowledge base maintained by our support team, the skill building collection of screencasts, the download archive, and access to our customer exclusive webinars. As you can see, we've put a lot of information out there. We've done our best to anticipate your needs. If by chance we've come up short, please don't hesitate to contact our support team. Customers with current maintenance contracts can submit a priority request form or open a chat session. You can call us at 540-951-3999 or email us at support@vitechcorp.com. If your maintenance is not current and you would like to get up to date so that you can leverage our support resources, just let us know. We'll help you get that process started as quickly as possible. This concludes the overview of Core resources. To learn more about using Core, go back to our screencast page and view the rest of the Getting Started collection.